Hey guys, it's been a while. Jea Chan right here, your skincare junkie, is back for another product review here in Minako Online Beauty Official, your online reference for quality, authentic, and effective Asian beauty products. Woo! Yes, I'm definitely back guys. 2 weeks has gone by so quickly from our last product review upload in this channel. It's been a hectic week for me because of motherhood, shoots, and of course content creation. But believe it or not guys, I did not miss any of my skincare routine. And this product I'll be sharing to you now is what I am consistently using for the past weeks alongside Kojie San Skin Lightening Soap and the Ebony Milk Salt Scrub, which I have shared already in the past video. And this product is the Kojie San Skin Lightening Body Lotion. Which is my step 2 in my body skincare routine. Now let's move on to the packaging. I have here a tube type packaging in 100 ml, which is travel friendly with secure cover, which is very unlikely that it will spill. And also there is a bigger version in 200 ml. And in here at the back of the packaging, it says and it claims to be a light, non-greasy formula that is easily absorbed by the skin, deeply moisturizes skin, keeping it soft, smooth, and well hydrated up to 72 hours. Helps restore and strengthen your skin barrier, minimizing the appearance of rough skin and stretch marks. Zero pigmentation light technology, a unique skin lightening delivery system that effectively bonds the potent active ingredients to ensure that it is absorbed by and activated in our skin and areas where it is most needed. This powerful mode of action zeroes in on dark spots, age spots, scars, melasma, and hyperpigmentation, giving you a lighter and even skin tone. Well, this will all be possible with continuous use. And for best results, it is best to use it twice daily. Also, it is dermatologically tested, hypoallergenic, and paraben-free. And for the ingredients, I'll just name a few that I'm already familiar with. First is the glycerin. Glycerin keeps the skin hydrated, which helps the skin retain moisture. Next would be niacinamide, which is very famous already as a skincare ingredient. Almost skincare products have niacinamide because niacinamide is very versatile, that can be combined into other actives. And niacinamide is also known to reduce inflammation, minimizes redness, moisture retention, and protects against sun damage. Of course, kojic acid, known for its lightening benefits with age spots and hyperpigmentation caused by sun damage. Next is vitamin E. Vitamin E is also known for its moisturizing benefits, and not only that, it is a very good anti-inflammatory agent on skin. That's why there are face creams that are very good in healing acne, calming down inflammation, also good for sensitive skin. Next is collagen. Yes, collagen, which is also anti-aging ingredients because it improves fine lines, wrinkles, which makes skin smoother by building up new collagen on our skin. Another one is the rosehip oil. Oils, I've seen products that are infused with rosehip oil already because it is also known for hydrating and moisturizing and healing properties if you have wounds and if you have inflammation. So rosehip oil is also a very good addition in your skincare, and according to my research, it says right which targets and helps rosacea, psoriasis, eczema, and dermatitis, which I can attest to that guys because I have contact dermatitis and it has been very helpful in healing and moisturizing it. I will share to you more about that in the later part of this video. Now that you've heard some of its very good active ingredients, let's move on to my personal experience. When it comes to the feel of this product, kind of thick for my usual preference of body lotion, but it feels lightweight, non-greasy. It has that luminous effect. What I'm trying to say is it gives that extra shine and healthy glow with the skin. It leaves, as you can see guys, it leaves a luminous effect in my arm compared to the arm that has no lotion at all. Extra shine, extra luminous effect, extra glowing effect. It does not feel sticky and sweaty or oily during hot weather. I feel that it absorbs very quickly on my skin, and also the hydrating and the moisturizing effect stays longer, because I've noticed that during the nighttime when I apply this under air-conditioned room, in the morning my skin is still supple and moisturized. Even in an air-conditioned room, maybe 21 to 23 degrees Celsius, because usually in the morning I've noticed if I don't use any moisturizing lotion or moisturizing gels, I've noticed that my hands, my elbows, and my feet is kind of dry. But with this one, while using this product, especially during the night, in the morning it's still moisturized, it's still soft, it is still soft and smooth, especially in my feet, which I have mentioned in the previous video that I have callous and rough skin texture in my feet. So I've been using together with a milk salt scrub, and after that I moisturized using this one. So it has been truly working well, and as of the moment I have smooth and moisturized feet. And also this one guys, I am amazed because I have contact dermatitis. I will flash in the screen there in my hands, because I am usually allergic to detergent soaps. I wash these dishes or wash my underwear. Immediately after that, I will experience roughness and rashes and itchiness in my fingers, in my palms. The continuous use of this product as hand lotion, guys, this is my palm now. Ayan. And this part, that after 5 days of continuously using this as hand lotion, it moisturized my fingers and the rashes have gone away already. And for the stretch marks, it softens, but I cannot say that it removed the stretch mark, because I think that there are some stretch marks that cannot be easily removed by just using moisturizing lotion. When it comes to its lightening effect, I can say that it really matches or perfect combination when you use the Kojie San Lightening soap. Because Kojic soaps tends to be drying sometimes if you use it on a daily basis, morning and night. So this one is a perfect addition, a perfect step 2 or step 3 of your body skincare routine to really seal in the moisture and maintain the lightening effect of the soap with this one.
Hot weather conditions, it's really nice for reapplication since it is non-greasy and non-sticky, so you won't feel uncomfortable even if you are under the sun. And if in case you are in places that has cold weather, it is really nice because it gives that lasting hydration and moisturization. Plus, it has that luminous effect on skin. And I've tried it on my face, guys. It almost feels like a face cream. It sets in easily and it has that glow finish.
So if you guys want to check out this product, want to try this Kojie San Skin Lightening Body lotion, Hydro Moist Body Lotion. Please do check the description box. I will link down below the Minaco Online Beauty official website, so you can shop anywhere, any time of the day at your convenience. And also check other products from Kojie San range of lightening skincare products and other Asian beauty products on Minaco Online Beauty official website. And speaking of Kojie San range of skin lightening products, I will share the Kojie San Skin Lightening Sunscreen and the Kojie San Skin Lightening Moisturizing Cream. So that's up next for our next video. And also from another brand, a whitening cream for our underarm, which is from Belo Essentials. I'll be sharing also my thoughts with that in the next video, same channel. So if you guys are interested and want to know more about Asian beauty products, whitening beauty products here in Minaco Online Beauty official YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe, hit that notification bell so you'll be notified for the next coming uploads. And for more contents, please do follow me on my YouTube channel as well, Jea Chan, and at Jea Chan on Instagram and TikTok. May that be all. God bless and see you on the next product review. Bye guys!